Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. I'm Akaisar right now with you, auto mechanic in Dubai, and I'm with very respectful lady from China. Her name is Fatima. She gave a great opinion for Pakistan. So let's listen the opinion of Fatima about Pakistan. So I request to everyone, please share this video, watch the video, and show to these people who say that Pakistan is an unsafe country. Let's talk to with the Fatima. Hi Fatima, how are you?
Fun, how are you?
I'm great. How about you? So tell us about Pakistan.
You know, about Pakistan, before I had the same worry about these all of people.
Okay.
Before I come to Pakistan, because they said it's not so safe.
Okay.
So I have same feelings worried to go there. But since several years ago, when I start to visit Pakistan, I have a different idea about Pakistan. So first trip I go to Pakistan because I joined one wedding.
You attend the wedding?
Yes, my friend's brother-in-law's wedding.
Okay.
So took a long time wedding, and people were so nice and give us the best food, give us a lot of respect.
Great.
Okay? That's the first. So that I come back to, because the wedding is a long time.
Yeah.
I couldn't finish over.
Okay.
I just stayed about several days and go back to China. It's first time. And then again I visited Pakistan. You see, I have no any worry about.
Okay.
About safety, and I really eat well, I sleep well,
okay.
And I enjoy shopping
okay.
and the food, especially everywhere I go. Sometimes they say, "Oh, you are Chinese, so come this road." Like we always become VIP.
Okay.
So once I was in the airport.
Okay.
I lost my laptop in the aircraft.
Okay.
So when I took off, I see, oh, where my laptop?
Okay.
And the people asked me, where are you from? I said, I'm from China. He said, you're from China, you don't need to worry. Now you sit here, you just sit here.
Okay.
And 10 minutes later, I will bring back your
laptop. Okay.
Actually, it's a transit from Beijing to Islam, Lahore.
Lahore.
We just dropped down in Islamabad.
Okay.
So the guy, working for the airport,
okay.
He drove the bicycle and ride the bicycle to the aircraft, and 5 minutes later, he brought back my laptop.
Okay.
I'm so appreciative.
Okay.
This made me more feel better than before. Not
Great.
only about the coffin, comfortable.
Okay.
So this about the people, you know, food is nice, a lot of kebab.
Great, you love the kebabs, huh?
Yes, we have.
And how you feel in Pakistan when you travel in the Pakistan? You feel safe there?
Oh, no any worry about it.
No worry about that.
I think the people worry about that because of media.
Okay,
the
media.
ISS, what about Afghanistan something, but this is this news,
okay.
Like wind.
Okay.
As long as you visit there,
okay.
You talk with the people, you really have the good different things.
Okay.
You don't know why you worry.
Okay.
There's nothing to worry.
Okay.
Even you no need, it's a Muslim country, you no need to cover your hair,
okay.
You no need to cover your body, as long as you are very respectful.
Okay.
That's really enough.
Okay, and which city you travel in Pakistan?
Islamabad, Rawalpindi, Karachi, Lahore, Peshawar.
Okay,
and,
great.
Kota.
Okay.
Yes.
What do you think about what do you think about the future of Pakistan?
See, this is really big things to think, because we had a good business there.
Okay.
We have the project business there since about 6 years. From the first time I come to Pakistan till now, every time I visit there, a different feeling. You said before they have only house, step by step they have flights, and
okay.
Now they have higher buildings.
Okay, great.
And fashion shopping.
Okay.
And especially, I think this country organized by army is very
yes.
Nice.
Okay.
You know, they have a strong organization system.
Yeah.
So I really so confident about that. And actually, I already decided to set up the office in Lahore.
In Lahore?
Yes.
Okay,
already
great.
In the
great.
procedure.
Great.
And I will finish that about this October.
Okay, great.
So hopefully I give all of the best and wishes to and pray to God.
Okay, great.
Of course, also, if Pakistan is good, my business is good.
Good.
As long as I'm Chinese, we have long history, friendship history with Pakistani.
Yeah.
I should say, if friends, I'm a VIP.
Okay.
If I'm as a Chinese, I have more more feeling, deep feeling with Pakistani people.
Okay, great.
So I wish this country good.
Great.
So they have about the economy is good future.
Okay.
Now we have new Silk Road.
Yeah.
So I think it is open. I mean, say window is open, door is open, and eyes.
Great.
Or Pakistan will be open to the world.
Okay,
and
great.
be best country
Great.
In Muslim country.
Great. And I'm very thankful to Fatima. I just give a short introduce about Fatima. Fatima is right now the CEO and the chairman of the Abscon Tires from China, and she has a lot of business in China. She has a business in Europe. She has a business in USA, and she's doing the heavy vehicle tires. She's doing the business for the truck tires and the crane tires. So Fatima, the last thing, you have any special message for Pakistanis?
Pakistanis, I really have messages. Thanks every time you give me so good feeling. I would like to visit more, and I pray and I wish the God protect this country, give the more glory to this country and those people and the kids and all of families.
Yeah, thank you, Fatima. And guys, everyone, I requesting to everyone, please watch this video and share the videos. And those people who thinking about the Pakistan is not a safe country, I'm really thankful to Fatima for the wishes for Pakistan. She prayed for Pakistan, and we request to all of till end of the world, Pakistan and China has a good friendship. And the last says, long life Pakistan. Fatima, what you said, the long life Pakistan.
Long life Pakistan.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.